Blockchain cryptocurrency. Blockchain is a new system that allows you to transfer value between people without mediators and take power away from the governments. I will explain what blockchain is and how it works in this video. This video will explain the importance of blockchain, how it works, and how we can use it in our daily lives. It's time for a new way to trade cryptocurrencies. What is blockchain? Over the past few years, you've probably heard the term blockchain technology a lot. This is likely because it's often used to talk about cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. You might even be wondering, what is blockchain technology? Blockchain seems to be a common saying, but only hypothetical since it doesn't have a clear meaning that the average person can understand. It's important to know what blockchain technology is, how it works, and why it's becoming increasingly important in the digital world. Blockchain technology is a structure that keeps a public ledger of transactions called a block in a series of databases called a chain, connected by peer-to-peer nodes. Most of the time, this kind of storage is called a digital ledger. The owner's digital signature approves every transaction in this ledger. This proves that the transaction is real and keeps it from being changed. Because of this, the information in the digital ledger is very safe. In simple terms, the digital ledger is like a Google spreadsheet that is shared among many computers in its network and where the records of purchases are kept. The interesting thing is that anyone can look at the information, but they can't be changed. Let's say you want to send money from your bank account to family or friends. You would go to your online bank account and use the other person's account number to send the money to them. Your bank changes the records of the transaction when the transaction is done. It seems easy though. Most of us don't think about a possible problem. Now, let's get to the original discussion where we learn the basics of cryptocurrency and what it is, how it works, and how to get started, where to start, and much more in this video. What are cryptocurrencies? A cryptocurrency is a form of encrypted digital money and doesn't have a central bank. Unlike the US dollar or the euro, there's no central authority that controls and maintains the value of a cryptocurrency. Instead, cryptocurrency users share these tasks over the internet. How do cryptocurrencies work? Blockchain is a technology that supports Bitcoin and most other cryptocurrencies. It keeps a record of transactions that can't be changed and keeps track of who owns what. When people tried to make purely digital currencies in the past, it was hard to stop people from making copies of their money and trying to spend it twice. Blockchain solves this problem. Depending on how they are used, cryptocurrency units can also be called coins or tokens. Some are meant to be used as units of exchange for goods and services, others are used to store value, and some can be used to play games or use financial software. How do people make cryptocurrencies? One way that cryptocurrencies are usually made is through a process called mining, which Bitcoin uses. Mining can use energy because computers have to solve hard puzzles to make sure that the transactions on the network are real. As a reward, the owners of these computers can get cryptocurrency that was just made. Other cryptocurrencies create and distribute tokens differently, many of which are much better for the environment. Most people find that buying cryptocurrency from an exchange or another user is the easiest way to get it. How to pick a cryptocurrency? It's important to remember that Bitcoin is different from other cryptocurrencies. Even though Bitcoin was the first and is still the most valuable cryptocurrency, the market is very big. A market research website called coinmarketcap.com says that nearly 20,000 different cryptocurrencies are traded on the open market, and cryptocurrencies continue to multiply. On June 13, 2022, the total value of all cryptocurrencies was about $970 million. This was a big drop from late 2021, when they were worth more than $2.9 trillion, which was their all-time high. Some of these are worth hundreds of billions of dollars on the market, while others are unknown and almost worthless. If you want to get into cryptocurrency, it can help to start with one that isn't widely traded and it's been around for a while. Though that doesn't mean you'll be successful in such a volatile market. We've made guides for some of the most popular cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and some altcoins that are similar to Bitcoin. Bitcoin was the first cryptocurrency and is also the most valuable. Ethereum is often used for financial transactions that are more complicated than those that Bitcoin can handle. Cardano is a rival to Ethereum, run by one of Ethereum's founders. Litecoin is a change to Bitcoin that made it easier to make payments. Solana is another alternative to Ethereum that focuses on speed and low cost. Dogecoin started as a joke, but now it's one of the most valuable digital currencies. Stablecoins are a type of cryptocurrency whose value is tied to real-world assets like the dollar. Is cryptocurrency a good way to put your money to work? No matter how you look at it, investing in cryptocurrency is a pretty risky thing to do. High-risk investments shouldn't make up more than 10% of your portfolio, a common rule of thumb. You might want to start by adding to your retirement savings, paying off debt, or investing in funds made up of stocks and bonds less likely to go down in value. There are other ways to deal with risk in crypto portfolio, like buying a wide range of cryptocurrencies. Crypto assets may rise and fall at different rates and over different periods. If you invest in several products, you can protect yourself to some degree from losses in one of your holdings. And that's it for this video. We hope you learned a lot. Let us know what you think in the comments down below. Also, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to our channel to get notified with all of our latest additions.